In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a file in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're a busy professional, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, it's important to understand a key feature of Google Docs. It automatically saves your work for you. Unlike traditional word processors where you have to constantly hit a save button, every change you make here is automatically synced and saved to your Google Drive in the cloud. You can see this in action at the top of the page, right next to the document title. As you type or make edits, you'll briefly see the word saving appear. Once the changes are stored, this status will change to a small cloud icon with a check mark and the words Save to Drive. This means your online document is always up to date, providing a great safety net against losing your work. What we'll be covering today is not saving in the traditional sense, but rather how to download a copy of this file to your computer in a different format, like a Microsoft Word file or a PDF. To begin the process of saving a local copy, navigate your cursor to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This will open a drop-down list with many options for managing your document. The one we need is Download. As you hover your mouse over the Download option, a second menu will appear to the right. This menu lists all the different file formats you can save your document as. You have several choices here. Microsoft Word, .docx is perfect if you need to share the file with someone who uses Word. PDF document .pdf is ideal for creating a final version that preserves formatting and can't be easily edited. You also have options like plain text, txt for a simple, unformatted version, or even web page .html if you need to post the content online. For this demonstration, we'll choose the most common option. Now, from the list of formats, click on Microsoft Word .docx. The moment you click this, your browser will prepare the file for download. The next step is to click the Export button to confirm and start the download. Your browser will then download the file to your computer's default downloads folder. You can see the progress in the top right corner of the browser window. Once the download is complete, the icon will stop animating and you'll have a .docs version of your document saved locally. Finally, you can open the file you just downloaded to verify it. As you can see, the document opens in Microsoft Word and looks identical to the original Google Doc. It's very important to remember that this is now a separate copy. Any edits you make to this local file will not be reflected in the original document stored in your Google Drive. You now have two distinct versions, the live, cloud-based Google Doc and this static local Microsoft Word file. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Google Docs file to your computer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.